We got his and her C5s. That is so freaking cool. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW. Tonight we're at Cars and Ice Cream. We just got the guys rolled up in the Corvettes, and there is a bunch of us with we got our Beamers, you know, Marty, Sean, Supa, and we got a couple Mustangs, the famous So Scare Altima, Justin's C300. But look what we have here, my absolute dream car, Lamborghini Huracan. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. And we got Mr. Airbnb's Gardo. He got the same wrap that at Heidi335 on Instagram got. But this is goals right here. Look at that interior. My gosh. One day we will have this. 2020 Huracan Evo.
Yeah, they got us with the smartly dressed, nice ice on the watch, and just like
my neighbors the next were gonna move out the next morning.
Really
Man,
Sunday. Had they moved on Saturday, it would have been
absolutely. I just can't get over it. It is gorgeous. What do we have here? You guys will probably recognize this. It's used to be blue, but now we got a Camel R8. Pretty clean. What do you guys think? Who did it better? Drop a comment. Let me know. What do you guys think of the new McLaren? McLaren 540. Absolutely gorgeous. White. Super gorgeous neon calipers. Congrats, dude. Car looks so awesome. I've been demoted. The wife jumped into the Corvette with Christine. Let's go get some ice cream.
gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. Gossip with Ace. Gossip on the Ace. On the Ace. On record.
Back on record. Delicious ice cream. Yep, it's almost gone. Chocolate. McLaren. Vet. BMWs. Absolutely gorgeous night. We got some Porsches parked over there. And we got AJ in his new 3 Series. Two-door coupe, pretty sweet. Crew. Boy, do I ever miss that.
Right?
Nothing like airing out. You guys should remember this. Fitment on point. You guys will probably remember Jen's new 440. Don't get used to that 4x4 look. She's got something exciting coming tomorrow, so the next time you guys see this car, it's gonna be totally different. And the doors go up. Millionaire doors. This is how easy it is to put a Corvette roof on.
It is. Your house.
No pressure. Sure.
It's the first time I've put a top down on a girl.
Like he said, first time helping a girl put her top on. Done.
Would you stop recording?
I like his commentary though. What a great night. And don't know if you guys caught that, but yes, we got a new toy. I ended up picking up a DJI Mavic Mini just because it falls under the regulations without having to get a drone's license here in Canada. For all my Canadian folk, you guys will understand. But yeah, we got a drone. This was my second flight ever. I've never flying one before, so hopefully the footage all turned out okay. I haven't even looked at it yet, but fingers crossed we got some good footage. Let me know in the comments below, do you like the drone footage? Does it add a new level to the vlog? I don't know. Needless to say, it's super fun, and what a cool toy. But hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe.